Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can build a free website using Zoho Sites. So here you can go and type sites.zoho.com and after that press enter. Now you need to create a free Zoho account. After that here you can see create a new website. Click here and now you need to select the category and website name. So let me add here website name. Then let me select the category, this one, and now we need to select the template. Let me scroll down, click here and here you can see these are different templates and themes. You can select any of these. For example, let me select this one. You can preview template before installing and activating this one. Now let me go back and click here customize. After that you can select the color scheme. Here you can see these are the color schemes, and after that you can select the font. So these are the 4 different recommended fonts, and after that you can select the header style. So logo is on the left side and here you can see on the top logo is in middle, so you can select any of the layout. After that you can also select the banner style. So currently full width banner is selected, then click on finish button, and after that now you need to wait for a few seconds. And now your website is ready to use. So now we need to publish this website and you will get a free subdomain. Now click on publish button and here you can add your website name. For example, let me add enable website design .zohosites.com. so make sure that subdomain should be available. And now you can easily access your website from here. So guys, here you can see our template is installed. So if you want to edit this website, and you can easily edit your website with Zoho Site Builder. So you can go here and select any of the object. For example, if you want to change this text, enable website design, and now here you can see text is changing accordingly. After that you can go here and click on publish button. So now if you want to connect your custom domain, you can easily go here and buy your new domain. So for example, if you have your existing domain, then how you can connect with Zoho Sites. Let me add domain name. To verify domain, enable businessmarket.com. Click here and now we need to add these records. So first one is we need to add enablebusinessmarket.com to www.enablebusinessmarket.com, and we need to add these 2 records. So let me go here. I have domain in Hostinger. After that click here login button, and then let me go in domain settings, scroll down. After that now let me click on manage, Then on the left side here you can see DNS. Click here. Now make sure that you are using hosting and name servers. So after that, to add a new record, let me go back and copy this one and then change it to CNAME. Then add here this one. Then copy this one. Add here. Then after that, click on add record. So let's go back and click on verify button. So guys, now domain is verified but SSL is not installed.